Hello and welcome to Night Office Solutions how-to videos. Today we're going to learn how to load staples into an external finisher of a linear multifunction printer. These instructions also apply to Ricoh and Savin models. Linear models will alert you when it's time to add staples with a notification that appears in the bottom left of the display. To load staples, first open the front cover. Then grab the green tab and pull out the staple assembly. You'll notice that there is a small frosted arrow on the side of the plastic. Squeeze the arrows and the empty cartridge will release. Once empty, insert the new cartridge and place the assembly into the stapler. If you get stuck, reference the illustrated instructions on the inside of the finisher door. To remove the jammed staple, simply pull on the green tab located on the staple holder. This should reveal the jammed staple, which you can remove with your hands. Then close the tab back down, insert the staple assembly back inside the machine, and close the door. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it has helped you learn how to add staples and clear staple jams. If you have any more issues, please feel free to call. Please feel free to call our customer service specialist at 210-340-8909, and we'll be happy to help you with any of your service needs.